Hi, so we have here some artificial ivy garland. If it gets dusty or dirty and you need to use it again, it's very easy to wash. Just use some warm soap water, some warm water to rinse it, and dry it up with a nice little towel. Good as new. Hi, today I got my ivy garland. It comes with a set of 14 vines, about 98 feet long. It's great for decorating, easy to clean. Just go ahead and wash with some warm water and soap. So here we have our ivy garland. We put it on the arch to make it look enchanted. We'll be adding some more decoration, but you could use it here for this arch.